All right, so let me do this quickly because I've taken your time much. All right, so imagine, okay, we have 12 physical keys. This and this are the same. So if I'm supposed to count the black and everything, you have 7 black keys and then 7 white keys and then 5 black keys. All of them have names. This is C, this is D. How to find C? These 2 black keys, these 3 black keys. The 2 black keys, the very first white key beneath it is C. D, E, F, G. It ends at G. So after G, you start the alphabet again, which will be A, B, C, making this and this the same. Now we're going to be using a formula that is tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. So the first time we're going to look for 2 tones. Now, let me show you how to find a tone and how to find a semitone. Imagine all of this is the same, whether white or black. So from here, you have to move here. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can't skip 1. So anytime you move from 1 to 1, it's a half step or a semitone. Semi, 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 semi. Now from here to here, it's not a semitone, it's a tone because we skipped this black key. From here to here is not a tone, it is a semitone because there's no black key in between. Just like this, semitone, from here to here, semitone. So now let's use the formula. This is your reference point. This is a reference point. So we are looking for 2 tones. So 1 tone, 2 tone, and then semitone. Now from here, being our reference point, we're going to look for 3 tones. So 1, 2, 3. So these are the notes for the major scale of C. If we were to play them individually, we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, or do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Alright. Now, these notes can be put together to form what we call a chord. Alright. And forming chords to have their formula. Now, the same formula I use for C can be used for any of them. Okay, so let's use this one. And then look for 2 tones. So this is a reference point. So 1, 2, that's 2 semitones, and then 2 tones semitone. Now from here, let me look for 3 tones. So from here you count 1, 2, 3. So these are the notes for the scale. If we were to play it also, it would be like this. You see, it's the same thing. So now let's come back to the C. And then my hands. My thumb is always 1. Let me see if I can dodge this array. Okay. My thumb is always 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Okay. So if I'm going to play the proper fingering of the scale of C, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means my fingers, this will play 1, 2, 3. Then I'll go and repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's like 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I'm playing backwards, it will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. The left will also play 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Then if I'm playing backwards, it will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I put the 2 hands together, it should play something like this. Alright, so with this, you can now start forming chords for each of the scale. So this is 1. In forming a chord for 1, you look for 3 and 5. So this is 3, 5. You add to it. It is also called a root chord. A root chord is a chord that has the original key at the beginning of the chord. Because this same chord, I can replace this with this C. It's still the same chord, but the C is at the top. This is the beginning, but we want the C here, so it becomes a root chord. For chord 2, the formula is 2, 4, 6. So on the scale, this is 2, this is 4, this is 6. Then 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. Then 4, 6, 1, 5, 7, 2. Then 6, 1, 3. And then we have the 7, 2, 4. And then back to 1. Now the chord 1 is a major chord. Chord 2 is a minor. 3 is a minor. 4 is a major. 5 is a major. 6 is a minor. 7 is a diminished. So you have 3 major keys, which is 1, 4, and then 5. Then you also have 3 minor keys, 2, 3, 6. Then you have 1 diminished chord, which is 7. This is how to form the chords. When we meet the next time, I'm going to show you how to use these simple chords in playing a song. If you have any other question, send it to me and then let me answer you. Bye bye.